Happy New Year and welcome back to Be Renewed's channel. We are going to start with a basic braiding pattern. My client has a tattoo undercut, so she wants to be able to pull her locks up into a high bun and a high ponytail. So I'm just showing you how I braided her hair, and I also took her hair that was left out of the braids and sewed it with a needle and thread just to pack it down flat. So the company Diva Tress sent me 7 packs of the Bobbi Boss New Locs Goddess Locks in a 1. So I'm starting in the back of her head, and then I'm just going to show you guys how to install it from the front end around to the middle portion of her head. So stay tuned. So because I didn't know if 7 packs was going to be enough for my client, I am installing her locks, I would say maybe a finger width apart, maybe slightly smaller than that. I do this just because I want to fill in, the bulk of her hair. And if I run out of hair, then most of her hair that's in the front and all around the perimeter will be filled. This is a very good technique if you are trying to find out how many packs of hair, if you're a stylist and you want to, kind of give an average on how many packs of hair for this hairstyle. And because this was my first time using this hair, there is 19 locks that come in the pack of this hair. And I believe the longer the hair is, the less locks you get in the pack. So 7 packs was not enough. I would say to at least get 9 packs so that it is nice and filled and you cannot see the braids. And then of course you just go back in and fill in the gaps. Okay, so now the installation is complete. I'm going to spray her hair with Next Image Natural Braid and Twist Sheen Spray. It has pomegranate and keratin in it, which was also sent to me by the Diva Tress company. I hope you guys love this tutorial. Be sure to like, comment, and share, and let me know what you think. And of course, live life on purpose with purpose. Love you guys.